Once upon a time, in a fun classroom called the chemistry lab, a group of friends gathered for a day of learning and laughter. The classroom was filled with excitement, sounds of bubbling liquids, and lots of jokes. In the front row, there was Lily, a curious student who loved to explore. Sitting next to her was Sarah, who always had a funny comment ready. And in the back row, we had Alex, the class clown who could make anyone laugh. As their teacher, Professor Johnson, entered the room, Lily whispered to Sarah, "I hope today's experiment doesn't involve turning us into frogs. I'm not ready for that." Sarah giggled and replied, "Don't worry, Lily. Today we're just learning about chemical reactions. No frog transformations, I promise." Alex joined the conversation, saying, "Yeah, Lily, Professor Johnson doesn't have that kind of magic. But hey, chemistry can still be pretty funny." Professor Johnson began the class by explaining chemical reactions in a simple way. They used funny examples to make it more enjoyable. Lily couldn't help but laugh when Professor Johnson compared a chemical reaction to mixing ingredients for a pizza. Just like adding toppings to a pizza creates different flavors, combining certain chemicals can create exciting reactions. Sarah added, "Yeah, but I hope the lab doesn't smell like pizza afterwards." Everyone laughed, even Professor Johnson. During the experiment, Lily accidentally spilled a colorful solution on her hands, turning them purple. She laughed and said, "I guess I'm a grape now. Can someone pass me some bread? I'm feeling jammy." Sarah quickly replied, "Sorry, Lily, no bread here, but you make a great grape. Maybe we can start a fruit fashion trend." Alex added, "Yes, Lily, you're raising the fashion grape stakes with your purple hands." Everyone laughed again, and even Professor Johnson smiled. Throughout the class, the friends continued to find humor in chemistry. They made jokes about elements and created funny experiments with made-up substances like giglionium and hiloride. By the end of the class, Lily, Sarah, and Alex not only understood chemical reactions better, but also had a lot of fun. They realized that humor made learning more enjoyable and memorable. As they left the chemistry lab, Lily turned to Sarah and Alex and said, "Who knew chemistry could be so funny? Laughter makes learning even better." Sarah nodded and said, "Absolutely, Lily. Humor is a great way to make science more fun." And with that, the friends continued their day, knowing that the chemistry lab would always be a place of laughter, learning, and unforgettable funny moments.